What I'd like to do now is talk about what you'll be doing in Module 1. You've already looked at the introduction to the course, and you've already looked at the video about how to navigate as you learn. So now I'd like to talk about what we'll be doing, starting with the course. Maybe some of you are looking at it on Monday, it starts on Tuesday, and I'd like to talk to you about what will be due on Wednesday. So if we look at Module 1, you can see your assignments. You'll be signing up for a Zoom meeting here to meet with me. I have quite a few times listed. So if you click on that Google Doc and add your name, you can sign up for a time that is convenient for you to meet with me. You will have other classmates probably meeting with us also. And what I'd like to do at that time is get to know you, see if you have any questions about the course. Then the next part is get a jump drive. If you don't have one, I know you're probably using your laptops at home, but you need to figure out how you can make backup copies of your projects, because you never know what can happen with your computer. It could crash, hopefully not, but you need to just have backup files. Then the next assignment is to create a Flipgrid response. This is a way that you can make video responses, and they all go in kind of a grid together so we can see each other's responses. I've made the first one, so you can click on mine to kind of see what a Flipgrid response is. And then you will be making your own recording that's 90 seconds or less, and the things that you will include in that video are listed here. Then, as you can see here, you'll be responding to at least 2 other students' videos. So you'll be watching their videos and making a response. This way we can create community in our classroom. I know this is an online class, but I want you to get to know each other. And so you'll be looking at 2 other students' videos and responding to them. And by the way, isn't this a lovely rain? I went hiking today and I took a break from creating the stuff for this class. And then I'm sitting out on my porch, and I hope you enjoy the sounds of this rain. As you'll find out as we learn more from each other this semester, I love the outdoors. Okay, on. Read the syllabus. It's a Word document that you can follow here, and look at that carefully. That tells you all about our projects and what's due. Also, your As You Learn profile. Some students have a nickname that they go by, but it doesn't show up in the profile, or they don't have a picture. So if you will, please look at your As You Learn profile, add a picture if you don't have one, and if your name is, for example, Elizabeth, and you go by Liz, Lizzie, Beth, or whatever, please correct that, and the directions are here. The next part, often I find that students have trouble doing some things, or that maybe videos don't load because they don't have Chrome. I'm not requiring you to get Chrome, but if at any time you want it, it's free. This is through ASU's website, so if you decide to download Chrome, please do it through this link so you won't get an imposter or a link that's not really Chrome. This is a link that is through ASU's website, so you know that it's valid. In this course, we're going to be emphasizing using the smartboard, and I know you don't have a smartboard in your dorm room or in your apartment, but you can learn to use the Smart Notebook software, and then you'll know how to use a lot of the features of the smartboard. So we'll be starting on the smartboard software this week, so you need to download it. The link is here. It's a free download, and it lasts for, I think, like 45 to 60 days. So that will cover you for the duration of this class. You'll need this for an assignment that's actually due Wednesday, so I would advise you to go ahead and start downloading that software. If you have any trouble, let me know. You are next going to watch a Ken Robinson video. He's an expert on creativity, and this is a TED Ed lesson. TED stands for Technology, Entertainment, and Design. It's a 20-minute video. I think you'll find it quite entertaining. He's funny, and he talks about schools and creativity. And then you'll be answering these 3 questions on a Word document, and you'll be turning them into As You Learn. Also, you'll be making a word cloud. I have quite a few resources for you to make a word cloud. Teachers use word clouds a lot. You'll be making yours about yourself, and you'll be putting this on your technology portfolio, which you've probably already learned about in the other videos. Put in words that describe you, what you think about as yourself as a future teacher. You can see my word cloud to learn about me. You can also put hobbies and things, and this would be something that you could include perhaps with the classroom website when you become a teacher, for your students to learn about you and get to know you. Looking back past Module 1, you can see that I have linked for you assignment links. So the things that will be due by Wednesday at midnight are the Flipgrid that I mentioned, which is a video that you'll make, the word cloud, you'll be turning that in, and your response to the 3 questions on the Ken Robinson video about creativity. The homework assignments that I give you are to help you become a better teacher, and they're also to help you with your projects, which we'll be talking about soon later on this week. Remember that I give updates for the modules on Mondays and Wednesdays, so I'll be explaining the assignments and what you need to do with them. And as always, let me know if you have questions. The rain's about stopped. I look forward to meeting you.